Hello students, welcome to SGV's Mahesh PU College. Here we have CET question paper of 2021. It's B3 version and we are going to have solutions for them. Okay, so here we go. First question. Which among the following characters selected by Mendel in a pea plant is a recessive character? So here we have got options in which three are dominant characters. Inflated pod, green pod color and axillary flower are the dominant characters, and white flower is recessive in which the violet flower is dominant one. So the answer for question number 1 is C. Question number 2. Match the scientist of column 1 with the contributions in the column 2. If you see in this question, like let us match the following. Griffith gave the transforming principle. Jacob and Monod gave Lac-Operon concept. Michelson and Stahl, they had given the DNA replicates semi-conservatively, and the Hashi and Chase had given explanation for DNA as a genetic material. So if you match this following, you will get C as the answer, that is R, P, S and Q. Question number 3. In which region of transfer RNA molecule is the amino acid binding site is located? If you study the cloverleaf model DNA, you will come to know that at the 3' end, you will be having amino acid binding site in which the amino acid come and join. So the answer for this question is 3' end and the answer is C. Question number 4. In this question, like here, the question is about the replication in which E. coli fully labeled with 15N is allowed to grow in 14N medium. So they have got a bacteria which was initially grown in 15N and now it's been transferred to the 14N. So it will be having its DNA which will be hybrid in nature. One strand is made up of 15N and the other strand is made up of 14N. The two strands of the DNA molecule of the first generation bacteria have. So here we have to see the first generation. Here what will be happening is both the strands segregate, like they get separate, 14 and 15, and the both newly synthesizing strand will be having 14 and 14. So if you see, check with the options. Same density and resemble with their parent DNA. See students, both the strands are different, of different density. So A is not the answer. Same density but do not resemble with their parent. Again here there is no same density, so B is not the option. Difference density but do not resemble with their parent DNA. You can see here both are of different density and they are different from the parent DNA. So the answer is C. C is the correct option here. Let's go for the next question. Fifth question. An experiment involving use of radioactive thymidine to detect distribution of newly synthesized DNA in the chromosome was performed on which plant? See student, in the NCERT they have given the straight statement saying that Vicia faba is a plant which was used for this demonstration purpose. So the answer here is A. Next one, sixth question is, if the sequence of nucleotide in a template strand of the DNA is 3' ATG, CTT, CCG, AAT, 5', write the sequence in the corresponding region of the transcribed messenger RNA. Student, please remember that here we are talking about transcription, RNA synthesis. So here we don't have thymine, instead of thymine we have got uracil. So when you check for the other strand, when you check for the transcribed strand, it becomes 5'A will pair with U, not with T. So it will become UAC, GAA, GGC, UUA, 3'N. So the answer here is B for the sixth question. Let us go to the next questions. Seventh question. Pneumonia is caused by, in the Human Health and Disease, they have given that there are two microbes which cause the pneumonia. First one is Streptococcus pneumoniae and second one is Haemophilus influenzae. So both are the causative agent. Answer is both A and B and C is the answer. Let's go for the 8th question now. The development of quick immune response in a person infected with deadly microbes by administering performed antibodies is. See student, whenever we give a patient a performed antibody, it becomes a part of passive immunity. So the straight question answer is passive immunity. Next question. Here the question is again on the cancer. So here we have Which is the most feared property of malignant tumor? Again, the same statement is given in the NCERT. Metastasis is the property of the malignant tumor, which is the most feared one. So the answer for question number 9 is B, that is metastasis. 10th question. Identify the technique useful in detecting the cancers of internal organ. See student, for the detection of internal organ, we use all these three techniques, that is CT, MRI, radiography. So again here the answer is all of the above, that is A, B and C. 11th question. Which among the following plant is a source of a drug which is a native to the America? Here they did not give us the drug, they have said that which plant belongs to the native of America. Erythrocylum coca belongs to the America. So the answer is B. 12th one. The technology of biogas production was developed in India due to the efforts of. If you study the biogas plant, there at the base they have given that Khadi Village and Industrial Commission and Indian Agriculture Research Institute, these are the two organizations together, they are involved in the development of biogas production. So the answer here is D, that is both A and B. 13th question. Which among the following product of the microbe is not obtained from fungi? We have to see which is not obtained from fungi. See students, penicillin, statin and cyclosporin A have been extracted from fungus. Swiss cheese, which is extracted from Propionibacterium shermani, is a bacterial product. So the answer here is C. Next, 14th question. So here we have got bioactive molecule and their use. You know that cyclosporin A act as immune suppressive agent. Streptokinase will be acting as clot busters. Statins will be acting as blood cholesterol lowering agent, and penicillin act as antibiotic. So if you match all the things, you will get the answer as A. Let's go for the next question. 15th one. Tag polymerase that find its application in the PCR is obtained from. See here they are talking about thermostable enzyme, that is nothing but Taq polymerase, and it is being extracted from the bacteria known as Thermus aquaticus. So the answer is A. Next question is diagram based. ROP, that is nothing but it is a gene which code for proteins involved in the replication of the plasmid in PBR322. In E. coli is located at the restriction site of. If you see the diagram at the base there, they have given that ROP is located at PVU2. So the answer here is C. 17th question. Rapid antigen test and RT-PCR, recent things, okay, are the two diagnostic tests for the COVID-19 virus. PCR, a molecular diagnostic tool, stands for. Actually, they are just correlating two things here. They want to ask you about the long form of PCR, and the long form is nothing but polymerase chain reaction. So the answer is A. Next question. 18th one. Which of the following diagnostic tools allow the detection of very low concentration of bacterium or viruses by amplifying their nucleic acids? See student, whenever it comes to the amplification, that is multiplication of the DNA, PCR is the technology used. So the answer here is PCR and it is B. 19th question. Silencing of a gene could be achieved through the use of. See, in the RNA interference of the RNA, we have seen that RNAi, that is short interfering RNA, is used to silence the RNA. Similarly, the same thing is also called as antisense RNA. So the answer here is both A and B. Last question for this video is 28th one. Alpha-1 antitrypsin is an antacid, an enzyme used to treat emphysema, used to treat arthritis. See students, in the biotechnological application they have mentioned that alpha-1 antitrypsin is used to treat emphysema. Further questions we'll see in the next video. Thank you.